Hello and welcome to the Hail-Trace Hail Forecast, the first immediate hail forecast of March of 2013. Today we're going to be talking about across the southern plains, across Oklahoma, Texas, and possibly a little bit into Kansas over the next couple of days, starting with this afternoon. So let's go ahead and jump into the forecast. We're looking at Friday, March 8th, 2013. And we're going to be monitoring a low pressure that'll move out of the Rockies up into southeastern Colorado and western parts of Kansas. That'll set up a dry line across western Kansas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, and Texas Panhandles with a cold front draped across northern Kansas or southern Nebraska up into that region. This is going to set the stage for the possibility of some hail this afternoon into this evening. We're really monitoring kind of a low instability across the area with some cloud cover, not a lot of moisture being pulled up into the Panhandle, but it's going to create an area where we think some hail will be possible in the gray shaded region. And we think even some isolated severe hail, that would be hail quarter size or larger, looks possible across parts of the eastern Texas Panhandle, maybe western, northwestern Oklahoma. And as we head into the evening night and overnight hours, some of that may move up into the southern and central parts of Kansas. So we'll be monitoring that. If there are any populated areas that are affected tonight, we will be sending out text alerts. So if you're not on one of those plans, make sure to give us a call and get set up on one of those plans, or even our unlimited hail maps. Anything over quarter size tonight, we'll be making the hail maps, and we'll have those available on our website. So make sure to check back on those. Now, as we head, another phase of this storm obviously would be the size of hail. We just looked at the percentage chance of receiving severe hail. Let's take a look at the hail sizes. So under quarter size in the gray shaded area, we'll be watching another region where quarter size hail, a little bit larger than quarter size hail, will be possible, maybe $0.50 right in that range. And then we'll have a small area across the eastern Texas Panhandle up and down I-40 where we expect that there could be a few isolated reports of golf ball size hail. This will not be the norm, however, across the Texas Panhandle. Most of the hail really will probably be under quarter size, but we'll be watching that threat, and if it takes off, we'll be there to make sure that you have all the information that you need to know about the hail threat across the Texas Panhandle, western, northwestern Oklahoma, and south central Kansas as we head through tonight. Let's go ahead and jump forward towards tomorrow. We're actually a little bit more, as it's beginning to look like we'll have a little bit more instability. So that low pressure across parts of western Kansas will actually shift to the east just a little bit. It's not moving too quick, but it will move up towards I-35 along I-70, and we'll have a dry line that'll drape just to the west or right along I-35. And for those of you that are familiar with this area, that's a pretty good setup for some hail across the I-35 corridor, and that's where a lot of population is. So we'll be monitoring that threat considerably. Here's the area that we think hail will be possible, so stretching from really along areas from near Austin up through Dallas, Oklahoma City, up towards Topeka. Really looks like it's going to stay to the west of Kansas City. Our severe hail, isolated severe hail, looks possible in areas, again, Oklahoma City, probably to the east of Wichita, but down through Dallas, Fort Worth, and areas along I-35 down towards Waco, I would say. And then we're monitoring an area where we think severe hail looks likely, really from Oklahoma City down to around the Dallas area or points west of Dallas. We'll be really monitoring that area as it looks like trends are pointing towards the possibility of a few supercell thunderstorms developing in this area. And if those can get going and stay isolated, there will be just enough instability to really get the hail sizes going, pushing up into some larger hail. Let's take a look at the hail sizes for that region. Again, our under quarter size hail, pretty large area, but we get in that quarter to $0.50 size hail runs from, again, around Topeka, Manhattan area down through Oklahoma City, Dallas, and to areas north of Austin. And we've got an area shaded for the golf ball size hail that runs from Oklahoma City down towards the west side of Dallas or Fort Worth, and a little bit south of that region. We're monitoring this threat. There's a possibility that we may need to up the size of some of these storms, the hail. So we may be adding a purple area. Check back with us as we head into tomorrow. It's a little bit far out to jump the gun on a fairly low instability day and say tennis ball size hail, but it is possible, and we'll be monitoring that. Look at our hail forecast for today, Friday the 8th, and for Saturday the 9th of March. If you have any questions or any concerns or are interested in getting set up on any of our plans, just give us a call at 855-334-HAIL, and we'd love to talk to you about the weather. That's what we do. Have a great day.